our best to achieve the target and make it through. Thank you all.
Santosh and Mr. Sanjay Misra, they are also the main input givers so that we can reach our goal. Basically, to achieve the next 9 months target, how it will happen, we'll go in details. But totally
achievement 101%. Joda.
Now request everybody to stand up and give a standing very Puri team has achieved their budget and management has given one incentive for their achievement. Congratulations and hopefully this year also expecting.
We must thanks to Sanjay sir as well as the Mr. Santosh sir.
The transport to that Chennai branch. That also we lost.
We did 1 lakh less 8,200. The grand total budget 45,000 for first quarter. We achieved 1,87,000. That time it was 4,200.